Happy birthday, Pop. Thank you. Hi, Ming. Security. Security. Ating ang aming birthday boy, oh. Simple lang ang binyo. Kari-kari. Okay. Adidas. Grabe lakas ng ulan.
Hello, ako pala si Martin Kawili. Happy birthday, Junbal Tabuyo, ang aking idol. Poging-poging paring Junbal. Happy birthday, enjoy your special day. Ikaw ang hari ngayon. Mabuhay ka hanggat sa gusto mo, brother. Love you, love you. See you soon sa Dudutan. Happy birthday. Nantong ka na, batang-bata pa rin. Peace, brother.
Happy birthday, Sir Idol Master Junbal Tabuyo. Many more birthday to comes. Success in life, good health. Mahal ka namin, Sir Jun. Happy birthday.
Yay! Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Halika dito, ta. Kasama ka, ta. Happy birthday po. Happy birthday po, Sir Jumba.
Sir Jumba.
Happy birthday, pre. 50 years old ka na. Pupunta na rin ako doon. Lamang ka pala ng 5 years sa akin. 45 na ako sa November. Many birthdays to come. And good health. And more
power and more blessings.
Mama chup chup.
More blessing po, Sir Jumbal, and may God bless you and your family. Bye!
Sir Jun, the legend, happy birthday. Ingat palagi po.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jun.
Happy birthday, Kuya Jun. I love you. Yeah, happy birthday. Wish you all the best. And good health and long life. Alam mo na, Kuya Jun. Always ako nasa side mo.
Hindi naman. Ang ayoko lang
yung
yung
pa rin ako always.
Kaya
ganun pa rin. Love you. Ingat kayo dyan.
yung parang gagastos.
Love you all.
Parents.
Kaya happy birthday.
Mangungutang pa yun. Yung ganun.
Alam kong safe ka dyan, Kuya. I love you.
Batangas City sa mami.
Happy birthday, Tol Junbal. Sana humaba pa buhay mo, haba ang pasensya mo, at lagi ka mag-iingat. Yun lang ang wish ko sa'yo, Tol. Kita-kita lang tayo, alam mo na yun, malapit na.
Happy birthday, paring Junbal.
Wish ko, pare, good health, more success in life, more magpapatato sa iyo, more tattoo event pa, and
More blessing.
Especially isang-isa lang talaga is good health talaga, pare, and happy birthday and happy family life, especially nandyan si Maring Cha and yung mga bata. So keep it up, pare. Alam ko naman na lahat ng mga pangarap mo, pangarap ni Maritza ay matutupad ninyo. Again, pare, happy birthday and see you soon, pare. Bye-bye!
Bye-bye. Happy birthday. God bless.
Bye-bye!
Bye-bye.
Pare Jumbal, happy birthday. 50 ka na pala pare. Hindi halata pre. Para lang 40, 'di ba? So, sabi nga nila, kalabaw lang daw ang tumatanda. At malakas pa ang iyong pangangatawan. Ang wish ko pare, more blessings, more happiness, at syempre, more money. Ika nga. So, happy din ako pare kasi malimit tayo magkakasama-sama dyan. At wag ka magkalala pare kasi malapit na. Matagal tayo magkakasama-sama dyan. At ingat lagi pare. And see you soon. And happy birthday ulit parang Jumbal.
Happy birthday, Junbal. Ingat ka palagi. God bless you.
Hello Kuya Junbal, binabati kita ng maligayang kaarawan. Wish ko, sana matupad niyo lahat ni Cha ang inyong mga pangarap sa buhay. At bigyan kayo ng marami pang blessings, more investment to come. At stay in good health. God bless you and your family. Enjoy!
Jun, happy birthday. Ingat lagi. Sana mabuhay ka at gusto mo. Bye.
Happy to you, Papa. Happy to you, Papa. I'm bigyan ni Papa. Happy to you, Papa. Bibigyan na cake.